All right, tell Luke what you're doing.
I'm playing Nerf guns with my friend Caitlin.
And who's your friend?
Yeah!
We're talking to Mac's cousin, who's in the hospital right now. We're sending him a message.
Feel better!
What do you want to say? Oh, yeah. Tell Luke what you're doing right now.
I'm tucking my eyebrows.
Show him how you do it.
I can move my ears.
Wait, let's see. Oh. And what do you have to say to him?
Feel better. I love you.
We love you.
So I have a joke.
Okay, what's the joke?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
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 No one's at the door. Will you go, please?
Haha.
Feel better, Luke.
I have a funny one. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Knock knock. Boo.
Boo-hoo.
Don't cry. It's just a joke.
Ah,
Who's there?
Boo
Boo-hoo.
hoo-hoo.
Don't cry. It's just a joke.
That's a good one.
Where'd you hear that one, Caitlin?
This guy.
That guy.
Shoot the camera back.
Oh!
Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
Where's Bob the Builder coming from?
Yes, we can.
Oh, here.
I love you, Luke. I love you. I love you, Luke. I love you. Watch this, Luke.
Love it. Watch me shoot my mama in the
Watch
belly.
this.
Kill her in the belly.
Oh, no.
Shooting you, Luke. Hey, Luke, I'm going to shoot my dad.
Oh.